Hi there and welcome to the module number 4 where I'm going to be showing you how you can build your monetized channels, because now you have 1000 subscribers, you have 4000 hours of watch time, and you got approved for monetization. So it's about time I show you how you can actually build those monetized channels. And as I said, if you're able to build them in like a short period of time, you can sell them for a few $1,000s. So that's a pretty decent amount of money. And as I said, you can do it over and over again for as many channels as you want to, because you now know the techniques to getting 1000 subscribers, you know the techniques to getting 4000 hours of watch time, and you have the techniques to get approved fast. So I'm going to be showing you inside of this module, I'm going to be showing you how you can find a viral video, how you can get those videos done for absolutely free, easy way to create those videos within minutes. And I'm going to tell you why title, tags, and description are so important and how to use them to build your channels quickly. So definitely it's going to be a really cool module, and I will see you in the first lecture.